Hello guys, my name is Aryash Giri and today I'll be teaching you how to solve a 2 by 2. So the 2 by 2 is one of the easiest cube which I've come across, and for solving the first layer or the white top, so hold the cube at bottom, like one corner at the bottom. For example, I'm taking this corner, white, orange, blue, and I see a piece over here. This is white. So okay, so it will go over here, right? Now you have to do these 4 moves. So you can do like R, Q, R prime, U prime. Now may have to do this moves 4 to 5 times. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. Now same with this piece, align it. So like red is over here and this red is over here, and now repeat the moves. R, U, R prime, U prime, 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 R, U, R prime, U prime. Now even if it's on the white is on top, you don't need to worry, you can do the same moves again. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, U, R prime, U prime. So this solves the first layer of a 2 by 2, and this is the beginner's method, and there are many ways to solve a 2 by 2 and more options. So I'll be teaching that also. So now you have to solve the last layer. So place any one corner in its correct spot like you do in a 3 by 3. Like I take green, red and yellow, and also sometimes you can get confused like how to place it, because there are 2 corners in the same place, like in the correct position, which does not happen in a 3 by 3. So just be careful which corner are you taking. So I have this corner over here. Now do this algorithm from here: L, U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime. So does this place? Okay, you may have to do this 2 times also, but in my case it just did it 1 time. Now the goal of this is now that you have to make place them in the correct position. So you do it like this. So now turn the white on the top and do the first 4 moves which I showed you in the beginning, and make sure that this yellow has to go on the bottom, and do it like this: R, U, R prime, U prime, R, okay, is that gone? No, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. So this makes it yellow at the bottom. And now place any unsolved corner with this and do the same thing: R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. And now the last corner: R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. Thank you for watching the video guys, and please like the video, comment on the video, share the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.